We're doing this quick. F***ing flies everywhere. Hey everyone, this is Patrick Winberry. I'm an architect and partner at the Up Studio. We're doing a series now focused on a more casual approach to our videos, where we walk you through a construction site and talk to you about it. We call it walkie-talkie. The name's a work in progress, but you're gonna love this video. Am I good here? Or do you wanna maybe back up? Just back up slightly. Watch the edge, watch the edge. Today we're visiting our Twisted Ridge project. This house is located about 10 minutes outside of Hudson, New York, and is located on an 11-acre site. When the studio gets projects on large parcels like this, we always get really excited. We feel like there's almost endless opportunities. But the reality is, every local municipality has some ordinances that we have to look out for. Here we have a clearing ordinance and we have a stream on the property. And we would triangulate all of those moments. It really focused on where we can place the home. So now that we have the house location done, the design got into the nitty-gritty. Initially, when we were working on it, we decided that the guest wing wouldn't be attached to the main residence, but it was actually gonna break off. As soon as it breaks off, it creates this guest house, which is acting as an ADU. Once we have that, there's a dialogue between the main house and the guest house, and it's layered with the sense of geometry, connecting everything together. How's the posture?
It's good, you're standing.
Okay, now that we have two structures, we had to figure out where this guest house was gonna go. So we could have extended this main volume down, but instead we actually broke it apart and shifted it back. By shifting it back, it creates an edge condition. This edge condition creates the courtyard space. Inside of the courtyard, we're gonna have a pool, a spa, and a fire pit dead center in this geometry. A real fun space for us. Maybe there's just like a dancing. I hope you've been following along here. We have our main house, our guest house, and the courtyard. And they're all in service of one thing, and that is this amazing mountain view. So what we did is we placed all the main gathering spaces here. We have the kitchen, the dining, and the living room are all fully glazed to allow that mountain energy to come into the family's daily life. All right, everyone, we're at this really exciting moment, and this is talking about what we did with the roofs. So early on in the design, we realized that if you take the A-frame and we actually twisted the A-frame, when we did that, we added this massive amount of solar exposure for the project. That's something that we always want to take advantage in our work. What we did notice too is that when we twisted that roof, there was an undulation that started to happen. It really harkens back to the mountains that are happening beyond. And it's really this beautiful poetry that's happening inside of our architecture. Yeah? Thanks so much for checking out our Twisted Ridge project. Just like all of our work, this project is site-specific and made for our clients' needs. If you want to see more about that process, just head over to our website or check out our social media. Thanks, y'all.